This is where we bring it on over to our chief meteorologist, Scott Padgett. We are so grateful to have you on our morning show because you are preparing us for really brutally hot temperatures.
And grateful to be here. And the First Alert Weather Team, we issue these first alerts days in advance so you can prepare. And sometimes we have to look at parameters again and maybe issue another one as things change with the weather. And that's what meteorologist Jeff Ray and I did yesterday on a conference call because we saw the front slowing down a bit. So we said, hey, I think we need an alert for today for the west sides of North Texas because of the excessive heat that's in place and on the way. So the excessive heat warning is the west sides of North Texas. The actual temperature 108 to 109, feeling like maybe 110 to 113. Noon until 9 today. Now the Metroplex, we have a heat advisory in place for that feels like temperature near 105. So you can see that's the color indicated here in orange. But if we go ahead and highlight the area where we do have the excessive heat warning, this is where we have our first alert area for today. It's from Jack County down through parts of Hill County and to the west southwest. That doesn't mean that if you're not in this area that you don't need to pay attention to the heat. It still is going to be a hot day ahead. But thankfully, we have this weak front moving through, cooling us down a little bit compared to yesterday's high temperature of 107 at DFW. Right now, partly cloudy skies. You see from our Fort Worth City Cam, it's 83 degrees. Winds out of the east at 3 miles per hour. Across the North Texas area, we're sitting at 75 in Sulphur Springs to 84 in Denton. You can see the urban heat island effect. Warmer temperatures right around some of the bigger cities of the Metroplex. We're at 84 in Keller to 84 in Denton, 83 in Dallas to 82 in Grand Prairie. Feeling warmer than that, feeling like 88 right now at DFW to 91 in Addison. So it's still going to be a muggy day ahead in some spots. By the time we get to 10, we're at 88, feeling like 90. By 11, 91 degrees, feeling like 99. Today, you can see cooler to the northeast thanks to that cold front, that weak cool front that's moving its way through. It's called a backdoor cold front because it's coming from the northeast, moving to the south and west. Across the Metroplex, I'm thinking about 102 for the forecast high today, but look at the west. Mineral Wells over to Breckenridge, 108 to 110 in the forecast. So after school today, excessive heat and the heat advisories in place, still in the triple digits, feeling hotter than that. So parents, please keep this in mind for a pickup. Here's the front, slides its way further down to the south and the west. That means going into tomorrow, we have some cooler air settling in and high temperatures. It's weird to say this. They're going to only be in the upper 90s to the low 100s. So that's a nice little change compared to this oppressive heat, that stretch of days of temperatures 103, 104, up to 107 yesterday. Our record today is 109. This was set just last year. So we're at 102. That's a nice change. But look at this. First 7-day forecast, which you ask for every single time we talk about weather shows. We're at 100 Thursday, Friday 101. There is some rain in the forecast, but not until next Monday. And there's a small little rain chance at just 10%. Sunshine, though, full force for the next 7 days.